Hello everyone, welcome to Wonder Garden channel. I am very happy to be with you again today in this fresh green garden. To bring you more choices in plant care, today I will share a completely natural liquid fertilizer formula that you can easily prepare right in your own kitchen. The special thing is that this fertilizer mixture is not only for orchids but also applies to many other plants in the garden, helping them become healthy, grow many roots, have lush green leaves, and flowers that bloom more beautifully and last longer. Taking care of plants is a process that requires patience, and when you spend time with them every day, the result will surely surprise you greatly. Let's get started right away. To begin today's formula, I'll be using ginger, a familiar ingredient in our kitchen. Ginger contains a wealth of natural compounds with strong antibacterial and antifungal properties, while also having the ability to stimulate root growth. The nutrients in ginger will help orchid roots become stronger, boost their resistance, and reduce the risk of root rot and yellowing leaves. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. After peeling off all the ginger skin, I'll slice the ginger into small pieces like this. Cutting it into smaller pieces helps release its active compounds more easily during soaking, allowing the plant to absorb the nutrients more effectively when we use it. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Next, I'll be using lemon. You can choose either green or yellow lemons. I only need 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, since even a small amount is enough to provide vitamin C and organic acids that help strengthen the plant's resistance, while also balancing the solution's environment and preventing bacterial growth. The final ingredient I'm using is honey. Honey is a wonderful natural antibacterial agent that helps soothe root damage, stimulate cell regeneration, and protect the beneficial microorganisms around the root system. I'll add 1 spoonful of honey like this into the mixture. Add 500 milliliters of clean water. Then, stir everything well and let it sit for about 30 minutes so the nutrients can fully blend together, creating a nutrient-rich organic solution that's ready to use for the plants. After letting it sit for 30 minutes, I will strain the entire mixture through a thin cloth or a clean strainer. The ginger pulp will be completely removed, leaving only the clear and concentrated liquid, free of impurities. To ensure the safety of the plants, I will dilute this solution with 1 liter of clean water to lower its concentration and prevent the plants from experiencing fertilizer shock. At this point, we have a nutrient-rich liquid mixture, perfectly combining the natural antibacterial properties of ginger, the vitamin C from lemon, and the root-protecting benefits of honey. Method 1. I'll use part of this solution to wipe the leaves of the orchids in the garden. You can use a soft cotton ball or a clean cloth. Soak it in the solution and gently wipe both sides of the leaves. This not only removes dust from the leaf surface, but also clears away fungi, insect eggs, aphids, and spider mites, the harmful enemies of orchids. Ginger has strong antibacterial properties that help prevent fungal diseases on the leaves. Lemon juice provides natural vitamin C, making the leaves glossy and healthy while boosting their resistance. Honey forms a thin protective layer on the leaves, retaining essential moisture and limiting bacterial invasion. When wiping the leaves, you can also easily observe their condition, detecting early signs of yellowing, rot, or harmful insects. This method helps orchids breathe more easily, improves photosynthesis, and supports steady growth over time. In addition to caring for orchids, this ginger lemon honey solution is also an excellent natural remedy for anthuriums and lilies, whether they are grown in the garden or kept indoors. These plants are prized for their broad, glossy leaves that bring a touch of freshness and elegance to any space. Yet their wide leaf surfaces make them prone to dust buildup and fungal diseases if not properly maintained. By gently wiping the leaves with this solution, you not only remove dirt and impurities, but also open up the leaf pores, allowing the plants to breathe more freely and perform photosynthesis more effectively. The natural antibacterial and antifungal compounds found in ginger and lemon act as a shield, protecting the foliage from harmful pathogens, preventing the formation of brown spots, and reducing the risk of yellowing leaves. At the same time, honey in the solution provides a subtle yet effective protective layer that helps the leaves retain the right amount of moisture. This keeps the foliage soft, supple, and naturally glossy, giving the plants a healthier and more vibrant look. With regular care using this method, your anthuriums and lilies will not only build up stronger resistance against pests and diseases, but will also maintain their lush green color and eye-catching shine over time, ensuring that they continue to thrive beautifully and brighten up your living space. If you apply this leaf wiping method regularly, about once a week, you'll notice the leaves becoming thicker, stronger, and free from signs of pests or diseases. This is also a great time to carefully observe each leaf, allowing you to detect early signs of problems or harmful insects and take timely action. Method 2. With the remaining solution, I'll use it to water directly at the base of the orchids. When you pour this solution into the growing medium, the nutrients from ginger, lemon, and honey will penetrate deeply into the roots, stimulating them to grow faster and become stronger. This is an internal care method that helps the plant not only maintain lush green leaves, but also build stronger resistance against soil-borne fungal diseases. Ginger has powerful antibacterial properties that cleanse the environment around the roots and limit attacks from root rot fungi. Lemon adds natural vitamin C, enhancing the root's ability to absorb nutrients more effectively, while honey acts as a gentle stimulant, encouraging the growth of new roots. When watering, make sure to water evenly around the base so the entire growing medium is moistened. Practicing this method once every 2 weeks will help the plant maintain a strong root system, deep green leaves, and significantly improve it to produce new shoots and flowers. Most importantly, after watering, ensure the plant is placed in a well-ventilated spot with diffused light so it can photosynthesize easily, allowing the metabolic process to work more effectively. When you use this solution for plants grown in soil, it's best to water slowly and evenly so the liquid can penetrate deeply into the lower soil layers. This way, the roots are given enough time to fully absorb all the nutrients while the surrounding soil is gently cleansed, reducing the buildup of harmful fungi and molds that often weaken plants. A thorough soak also improves the overall soil environment, ensuring that moisture and nutrients are distributed more evenly to every part of the root system. The ginger component in the solution acts as a natural purifier, neutralizing unpleasant odors and helping prevent the soil from becoming soggy or developing a sour, stagnant smell. At the same time, lemon and honey work in harmony to balance the soil's pH, which creates a healthier environment where beneficial microorganisms can flourish. These microorganisms play a crucial role in breaking down organic matter into simple, plant-available nutrients, giving your plants stronger roots, greener leaves, and improved resistance to common pests and diseases. With regular application, you'll notice your plants not only grow more vigorously, but also maintain a more vibrant, long-lasting beauty. Method 3. With the remaining solution, I'll pour it into a misting spray bottle. Then, I'll spray it directly onto the roots, leaves, and the surface of the growing medium of the orchids. Misting with the ginger lemon honey solution not only delivers nutrients quickly through the leaves, but also stimulates stronger root development. The mixture evenly coats the leaf surfaces, making them shinier, deeper green, and more efficient at photosynthesis. The nutrients from ginger provide natural antibacterial protection, reducing fungal growth on both leaves and roots. Lemon helps clean off dust and prevent small insects from hiding, while honey supplies natural sugars, giving the plant energy to recover quickly after flowering or pruning. The best time to spray is early in the morning or late in the afternoon, avoiding direct sunlight to prevent leaf burn. By misting regularly every 7 to 10 days, you'll notice your orchids looking healthier, with plump, vibrant leaves and roots that turn white and grow rapidly. For plants with thick, glossy leaves, such as anthuriums, peace lilies, or other indoor foliage plants, you can also use this solution for misting. When spraying, keep a moderate distance so the solution covers both sides of the leaves evenly, helping to remove dust, provide natural antibacterial protection, and enhance the leaves' shine and smoothness. The nutrients from ginger, lemon, and honey are quickly absorbed through the leaves, promoting stronger, healthier plants and improving their resistance to pests, especially for plants that often live in low airflow or low light conditions indoors. Finally, after completing all 3 care steps, place your orchids and other plants in a well-ventilated spot with gentle airflow. Avoid exposing them to direct, harsh sunlight, as this can burn the leaves or cause the moisture you've just added to evaporate too quickly. If, after about 15 minutes, you notice that water from the fertilizing solution is still sitting on the leaves or in the crevices between them, take a soft cotton pad or a clean cloth and gently blot away the remaining liquid. This step is crucial because if the solution remains on the leaves for too long, it can lead to unsightly spots or, in humid conditions, even cause leaf rot. Removing excess moisture also helps prevent the growth of fungi and bacteria that thrive in wet environments. Be especially gentle when wiping the underside of the leaves, as water tends to accumulate there the most. By ensuring that the leaves are clean and dry, the plant can absorb nutrients more effectively, maintain stronger resistance against pests and diseases, and keep its foliage vibrant, glossy, and healthy. Over time, this careful attention will help your plants grow more robustly and display their best natural beauty. After consistently applying this method for some time, you'll start to see your orchids producing numerous plump, white new roots that cling firmly to the growing medium and grow very quickly. The leaves become thick, glossy, and full of vitality. Especially, new flower shoots begin to emerge from the base, with each stem growing strong and long, and when the flowers bloom, they display vibrant colors and last longer on the plant. Anthuriums cared for with this solution will produce new leaves regularly, with their characteristic glossy green foliage becoming thicker and healthier. The roots grow strong, making the plant sturdier. As a result, the flowers, whether red, pink, or white, retain their color longer, the blooms stand upright, and the plant maintains a strong, attractive shape. In this way, with just a few familiar ingredients and a simple preparation method, you can help many types of plants in your garden stay healthy, ensuring that roots, leaves, and flowers all develop evenly and sustainably. Take care of your plants with love and passion, and they will feel your attention. When nurtured properly, plants grow quickly, with vibrant green leaves, strong roots, and flowers that bloom more brilliantly than ever. Watching a garden full of life every day will make you feel that your efforts are truly worthwhile, and this joy will deepen your love for plant care. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the Wonder Garden channel so we can meet more often in future videos. Leave a comment to share your thoughts or your own plant care experiences. I'll be delighted to read and respond to each one. This not only spreads the joy of gardening, but also helps the plant-loving community grow stronger and more vibrant.